Savage package!
Everybody be
Oh,
quiet.
shut up!
We're pranking someone if you didn't know.
This is gonna be so awesome.
If they don't answer.
Or leave them a fucking message.
Hello?
Hey!
Hi.
Hello? We are live from WYSO, the radio station that you are on. Can you give us a brief answer to this question? Sure. What's the question? Do you want to win a free prize straight to my asshole? I'd love to. Yes!
Damn it.
She stayed on there good for a good while though.
To go in your snickerdoodle asshole. Much all over that shit, and I hope there's nuts in there from last night's peanut salad.
Doo-doo-doo.
I'll see ya!